Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the StarterRainGutterBusiness.com channel. Today we're going to kind of go through a quick run through on some of the most common problems I see with rain gutter installations done wrong. And I have some of like the DIY samples, you know, the plastic rain gutters you get from Home Depot or whatever. And then, you know, you can get 10-foot rain gutters. So this is all something to know for new installers and the DIY type person that wants their rain gutters working correctly. So let's get into it. So we'll start with the biggest problem that I see with rain gutter installations from Home Depot. This is just a plastic hanger, vinyl. They come in 10-foot sections, and then you get these and put on, you know, 4 or 5 in between the sections. So this is a hanger for that vinyl gutter. And what happens with a roof, this roof obviously needs to be replaced, but on the front of this place, they had these vinyl gutters installed. And what happens is these vinyl gutters, hangers, space the gutter off of your fascia about 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch, depending on which ones you get. And what happens is this water, this is about a 412 pitch roof, and anything less steep than that, the water will just leach its way around that drip edge and follow the drip edge back and then just leak behind the gutter. So this is the most common problem we see with homeowner type installations and people that just aren't, you know, don't do rain gutters every day. So one of two neat things needs to happen with these. If you're going to install these vinyl rain gutters, you either need to make sure and bend this drip edge out and get that gutter up underneath of the drip edge. Like I said, and then this is just a standard K style. You can get this in 10-footers also, or if you have a seamless rain gutter machine. What needs to happen with this is it just needs to be slid up underneath that drip edge so that water goes down, even if it leaches around and goes down the drip edge, it drops right into the gutter. So if you mount it down here like this and just butt it in, doesn't do any good. It has to be under that drip edge, about 1/4 inch for it to work effectively. So like I said, that's just one of the biggest problems I see from day to day, taking everybody's old junk off and fixing it with new stuff. So another way to solve this problem, if say your gutters are already installed and this thing's bolted on over the drip edge like it shouldn't be, instead of taking that all off, another thing you can do is take either another drip edge from the hardware store or some thin strips of metal, and you can slide them up under your shingles and tar paper if you can get it under there, and just extend that out past the existing drip edge and out into like the center of the gutter, and that acts as a buffer and gets the water off that drip edge and gets that water draining out into the gutter. And if you can put a little break in there, that helps even more, to where it tips down a little bit and gives that metal a drip point for that water to drip into the gutter instead of working its way back up behind the gutter. So that pretty much covers that problem. This is probably one of the biggest issues we see in the rain gutter industry, is people just putting them on over the drip edge and not understanding that gutter needs to be tucked under the drip edge. Another common problem is just leaky joints and, you know, old seams, stuff like that. And we have a video that we'll link right here for you guys to watch how we solve those issues. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment below. We love to hear you guys' ideas on our videos. Subscribe, and see you on the next one. Expansion contraction video, expansion contraction video.